What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Miguel and you're watching Miguel EDC, the channel where we talk everything EDC gear here. Today I have another short unboxing video for you guys to check out. Just got this box in the mail. Cannot wait to cut into it, share with you guys the knives that are in here. This package comes to me via the Lefty EDC knife pass around. So shout out to Lefty EDC, aka Kevin. Super grateful, super happy to be part of this group and for opportunities like these to check out knives like this that otherwise I wouldn't be able to and bring this content to you guys. So if that isn't worth a like right there, I don't know what is. So go ahead and smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. With that being said, let's jump into it here. This knife and any other knife you'll see in this video will be linked down below. Those affiliate links do help out the channel at no extra cost to you. And doing the honors today, we have the Kunwu Chad. I just unboxed this bad boy here in the channel, and this thing has been in my pocket ever since because, man, this thing is just a beauty, just an awesome EDC knife. This titanium here is wonderful. I love the diamond pattern going on here on this bad boy. Man, this is really good stuff right here. So yeah, this guy's gonna be doing the honors. I don't want to destroy the box too much. I do want to use the box to send this knife back to the next YouTuber that's going to be checking this one out. Hopefully this is the right way to open up the package. Alright, here we are. Okay, and I'm not sure if it's one knife or if it's more than one knife. We'll see. So we have this first one here. Whoa, yeah, it is definitely, that is one big pouch. Okay, well, let's see what's in here. All right, nice fabric pouch, zipper pouch going on. Let's unzip this bad boy. Haven't quite checked out these knives here in the past, so there'll be a first time. And holy moly, okay, yeah, we got 1, 2, 3 different knives to check out here. Oh my goodness, I'm not sure which order to go in first, but all right, let's check out the next knife here, shall we? This one, all right, got a blacked out aesthetics going on. If you guys are already on, I'm ready. Here we go. Fat carbon, it looks like. All right, it's looking good so far. Boom, check it out, guys. Here it is. I believe, if I'm not mistaken, this is the Phoenix. So Kizer Phoenix going on here. Check out the carbon fiber going on here on this bad boy. All right, it looks really good, very intricate. We have all kinds of transparent portions, a little bit of orange highlights here and there. That feels really good. So yeah, let's go ahead and open up this guy. It looks to be a flipper thumb deployment. Hopefully we can reverse flick it as well. And yeah, already I can tell you I like this round portion of the handle. So without further ado, boom, here it is. All right, let's do that again. I want to put a little bit more effort into it. Okay, let's say the detent. Okay, yeah, the detent is not super stiff, so there we go. All right, got to give it the beans there, get it open. So Phoenix, the Kizer Phoenix going on. This one's on S35VN. That is certainly a higher up premium steel, similar to what you get on your entry versions or mid-range G10 Spyderco PM2 Para 3 and so on. This one gives me really like Persian vibes going on here for the most part. I see this blade here kind of creeping up a bit right there, a little bit of Persian to it. Full flat grind going on. We have a nice little indentation here or a cutout piece right there, which gives it a little bit of personality going on there. All right, you guys check that out. So all blacked out. I'm not sure if this is DLC or just black coat. Black stone wash, I believe, is what some OEMs refer to it as. And this guy's a liner lock. So let's see, drop shot action. Okay, it's a little bit more of a shaker. Let's test out the thumb stud. Okay, that thumb stud fires really good. And again, you do want to give it a little bit of a shake there for it to drop shot. So not guillotine shot, but definitely drop shot with a little bit of a shake right there. All right, thumb stud feels really good. It fires very well with the thumb stud. Well, bam, check that out. Boom, nice. Can I reverse flick it? That's always a question. Boom, yes. Yes, you can without destroying your your middle finger here. Let's see. Yes, check that out. I think the fact that the detent isn't as stiff, right? Whereas the detent, you want to feel the detent a little bit stiffer for the, you know, actual flipper back here. I'm grateful that it's not any stiffer because it really helps me with the reverse flick. I recently was EDCing a different knife that I kept trying to reverse flick like this, and it just kept destroying my finger to a point where it kind of felt a little bit sore afterwards. So yeah, good tuning here. I feel like, you know, even though the flipper might feel a little bit weaker D10 style, it definitely benefits the reverse flick. The thumb deployment feels really good. So yeah, I take that all day, every day. The blade is nice and aligned there. And ergonomically speaking, any knife that has this round butt, if you will, this round butt back here in the handle is gonna feel really good in the hand, without a doubt. I got some jimping going on there in the blade, which by the way, the stock is not very thick at all, so I'm noticing that right off the bat. So I bet this thing is a slicer without flat grind. Boom. As far as billboarding, you have the model name and the Phoenix image there also on this side. You do have the Kizer logo and the steel on this side, so you know, got a little bit of billboarding going on there, depending on whether you are into that or not. Is the bolsters on this bad boy, are they titanium? Let's see. All right, yeah, we got some titanium bolsters, it feels like, unless I'm mistaken. I'll definitely correct that during the review, but this is not magnetic, so we know it's not steel. The hardware itself is steel. All right, the back spacer is the only pull that I'm feeling here are from the sides, so I'm sure the inlays are steel. We have the pocket clip. What about the pocket clip? The only pull that I feel on the steel is going to be right here on the screw. So it does seem to be reversible, I think. I want to say the same one screw that's been used on this side could probably be used on this other side. I don't see that it is inset or anything, all right, but I'll definitely check on that during the review for sure. And I tell you, man, it feels really good in the hand. So you could forward choke if you wanted to. Just know that the corner of the edge is right there in your finger, so be very careful. The flipper does work as a very nice finger guard right there, which is nice. And yeah, this thing I'm sure cuts really good. The, again, carbon fiber on this thing is insane. That design, right, get a feel for it right there. It is really good. I like how they did the blacked out back spacer there. Yeah, very high premium feel to it. And let's get some slices on this bad boy here, shall we? And remember, this is not a brand new knife out of the box. It definitely has seen some use from the other YouTubers on Lefty's EDC knife pass around. Yeah, we got some swirls going on there. So yeah, just as I predicted, it is a slicer, right? Check that out. It definitely cuts really well. You guys rate it in the comments on a scale from 1 to 10. Okay, so we know we can do paper. What about some cardboard? All right, got the cardboard here, some leftovers from some boxes here around the house. Remember, we're cutting cardboard, don't cut perpendicular like this, but cut at an angle like that. And here we go. Oh yes. Oh yes. Yep, it's going to cut for sure. And that cardboard there is history. Yeah, definitely a slicer, no doubt about that. And let's do some size comparisons on this bad boy here, shall we? Spyderco PM2 and Para 3. So yeah, this guy is longer than the PM2 for sure. Longer cutting edge, also a longer handle indeed. Definitely longer than the Para 3 without a shadow of a doubt. Here's the Demko AD 20.5 and the Shark's Foot blade. The new Demko Shark Cub slicer blade going on here. So yes, definitely larger than both of these. It's gonna be a large category knife for sure. The perhaps contender to it, and it's even longer than it, it's Rat Model 1. Rat Model 1 here is, believe it or not, shorter than the Phoenix, right? And the Model 2 here is definitely shorter. So we'll do one last one. All right, check this out. Here is the Kizer Doberman. So it's larger, honestly very comparable to the Doberman. And here's another knife that I recently unboxed and I'm EDCing currently also. The Kunwu Chad. All right, got the Kunwu Chad there. All right, so it's definitely longer than the Kunwu Chad and very comparable to the Kizer Doberman. Well, there you have it. Just trying to give you some quick ideas on size comparison right there, so you guys can have a ballpark idea. Well, there you have it, guys. Those are the 3 knives that we just unboxed. I'm probably going to make 3 different uploads because I don't want this one upload to be extra long. But yeah, I'm gonna, you know, for SEO purposes, you know, search engine optimization purposes, I'm going to probably make 3 different videos. We just unboxed the Kizer Doberman. This one is the Phoenix. And this one is the Huntsmen. 3 killer Kizer knives. Man, these are beastly looking, and I think they kind of go up from there, right? This one is a little bit more on the affordable side. Both of these are premium steel as well. I can't wait to EDC these knives and come back to you with a comprehensive review on all 3 of them, because I mean, there's certainly a lot of EDC potential here. These are very slicey cutting tools, very good performance as you saw during the cutting test, and they certainly probably will perform really well. Of course, I'm gonna gather all the feedback I possibly can during the time I'm gonna be carrying them and come back to you with a comprehensive review here in the very near future. Check out the affiliate links on below if you want to check out any of these knives. If you end up purchasing a knife using one of the links, it does help out the channel at no extra cost to you. Once again, shout out to Lefty EDC for providing us with the opportunity to check out these knives. Check out the Lefty EDC channel. It's going to be linked down in the description if you don't already know it. Check him out. He makes awesome content, and if you're lefty, I mean, you owe it to yourself to check out, you know, some EDC content from a lefty guy's perspective. Guys, if you made it to the very end, you're the real MVP. Go ahead and smash that like button if you haven't already, so that it can help the video rank higher in the YouTube algorithm and reach a larger audience. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, because I make knife content like this on an ongoing basis, on a daily basis. Every day of the week, you'll see some content from this channel. So if you're into that, please go ahead and subscribe. If you want to support the channel a step further, there's a link down there for Patreon, where you can support the channel for as little as $1 a month. Chances are by the time you're done watching this video, the review on this beast of an EDC knife right here, the Microtech Stitch, is ready to go. If that is the case, I'm going to go ahead and put a card for this review video right here for you guys to check that one out next. Guys, it's been a pleasure. I love you all. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day, and I'll catch you all on the next one. Peace.